Alright, hey everybody, Pack a Day back again, and today I thought we'd check out another pack of 2018 Topps Gallery that I found in the clearance bin at Walmart. But first, I'm going to show you another card as always, and today's card is another manufactured relic, which we all know I'm not a huge fan of, but at least this one is different, I guess. I've never seen one before. This is the only one I have, and it's Wil Myers, and it's called Retro Hat Logo Patch. So at least they change it up a little bit. I'd still rather have a game used relic, but what do you do? It's got the 150th anniversary gold stamp, and that is numbered 75 of 150. So not too bad. Like I said, I always prefer a game used, and of course I'd always prefer an autograph over that. So, but it is what it is, and I don't think they're stopping anytime soon. So, and I still get excited when I pull a relic out of like a retail pack, because you're just never really expecting it. So it's nice. Alright, let's open this gallery, see what we can find. Alright, first up, Javi Baez, Cubbies. Tyler O'Neill, Cardinal rookie card. Nice Ichiro. Daniel Mengden. I'm not too sure who that is, but if that really is how his mustache is, I like him already. And we got Carlos Correa, excuse me, can't talk today. Nice Hank Aaron. What was that? Masterpiece insert. Alright, next we got Derek Jeter. Kind of odd looking Jeter, but it's alright. Got Dylan Peters. Albert Pujols. Chad Green. Clayton Kershaw. And our last card is Drew Smyly. Another Cubby. Start and end with the Cubbies. Alright, well that'll do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I put up a new video every single day. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.